Hi, my name is Samuel. I am an optometrist. I am from eyeopto.com, that is optical showroom and eye clinic. Today I want to share a very common eye disorder that is called amblyopia. So what is amblyopia? Amblyopia means lazy eye. Amblyopia is a one type of poor vision conditions in which we cannot see the distant object as well as near object more clear. So that is called amblyopia. So why it's called lazy eye? In amblyopic eye, lazy eye does not work properly with our brains. Our brain does not recognize the sights that's coming from the lazy eye. Our brains works more and more with the stronger eye. That's why stronger eye becomes more stronger and vision also will increase, and weaker eyes more weaker, becomes more weaker. Means our vision getting worse day by day. So this case is called amblyopia. Basically, we have seen this problem in children. In many cases, parents don't know their children has an amblyopia. So it's very important for all the children must have to go for eye checkup at least once between the age of 3 and 5 years. So this is called amblyopia. So what is the reason why amblyopia happening? First one, congenital cataract. If someone have a congenital cataract if someone have a cataract from the birth, in these cases their vision does not develop in a proper way and amblyopia happens. Uncorrected refractive error. If someone have a myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, this type of refractive error means vision related problem from the birth, and they does not treat proper way, means they are not using glasses for this myopia, hypermetropia, this type of problem. In this case also their vision does not develop in a proper way. They cannot see the image more clear because of this eye related problem, and they are not using these glasses for this problem. In these cases also vision does not develop in a proper way and amblyopia happens. Third one, ptosis. Ptosis means drooping of the upper eyelids. It's called ptosis. Sometimes it's happened due to paralysis and sometimes it's congenital. So due to ptosis, patients cannot see the distant object more clear due to this upper eyelid. So in these cases also vision does not develop in a proper way and amblyopia happens. Sometimes squinting problems may develop amblyopia. What is the treatment of amblyopic eye? Early treatments may develop the vision of the amblyopic eye, but if the treatment is not done as early as possible, this amblyopic eye may lead a huge vision loss for the future. So first one, patients must have to go for cataract surgery as early as possible. Second one, patients have to wear glasses for the correcting of myopia, hypermetropia, astigmatism, this type of vision related problem. Third one, occlusion therapy. This is one of the most effective methods for the treatment of the amblyopia. So what we are doing this occlusion therapy? Basically we occlude the stronger eye, means we cover the stronger eye and uncover the amblyopic eye. That's why amblyopic eyes works more and more and becomes active day by day, and also our vision also increase day by day. So we can increase the amblyopic eye vision by the occlusion therapy, and this occlusion therapy is done according to the patient's age and according to the amblyopic eye vision conditions. So this is called amblyopia.